Hi everyone, my name's Ashley Tilley, and today we're going to be discussing Intuit's Enterprise Suite. Intuit Enterprise Suite is Intuit's answer for businesses that have outgrown QuickBooks but don't really want to invest in that full ERP system just quite yet. As a certified partner, here's the full picture: what it looks like, what it actually does, where it still falls short, and who it's genuinely built for. And we'll give you the same honest breakdown we give our clients before they buy IES. So let's take a look at what IES actually looks like. On my screen, you'll see the home page. This is the multi-entity dashboard and consolidated reporting. If you scroll down through here, you'll be able to see everything firsthand, such as profit and loss. You can connect your bank accounts and see where you stand, what your balances are, and so on and so forth. You'll also have your underbilled work in progress, your expenses, your invoices, what's unpaid, what's overdue, what's been paid, your sales, your accounts receivable, accounts payable. Also, with IES, you can integrate third-party applications just like QuickBooks Online. Another feature of IES is dimensions. Let's take a look. So dimensions are customizable. You can do up to 20 of them. Unlike QuickBooks Online, they are not single class fields, so you can create your own. For example, cost type is one of the dimensions we have set up. So cost type can be broken down into direct labor, direct materials, overhead and admin, owner's hours, subcontractors, and whatever else you might need. These are fully customizable up to your discretion. Also, in IES, if you go to Reports, there are KPIs. There are 30 plus built-in KPIs across growth, profitability, cash flow, and liquidity. They are a management tool that tracks key performance indicators across multiple perspectives to align business activities with strategic objectives. Also, like QuickBooks Online, there is also integrated payroll and HR. Also, there is a new human capital management platform. Also built into IES is AI agents. While these are still new, there are finance agents, accounting agents, project management agents, and payment agents. Specific builds. What's genuinely new? Intuit's building industry-specific versions. Construction Edition launched in beta with job costing, WIP reporting, AIA-style invoicing, and certified payroll for federally funded jobs. They are also tailored dashboards for field services, healthcare, and nonprofits. So where does QuickBooks Intuit Enterprise Suite still fall short? Here is what we tell every client about IES, and what a lot of reviews gloss over. If inventory is core to your business, this is not built for you yet. Intuit Enterprise Suite does not have serial or lot tracking. You cannot do any barcode scanning for pick, pack, or ship. There's no sales orders, back order control, no editable bills or materials. If you're on QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise using any of that today, moving to IES means losing that, not gaining it. Also, performance can lag on heavy multi-user reports. AI agents are only as good as your underlying data, which means messy books produce messy recommendations. So if you're inventory heavy, IES is not the quite right move just yet. So what's coming next with IES? Intuit's shipping new releases seasonally. The spring 2026 release alone added multi-entity close automation, peer benchmarking and reporting, and the new HR platform. They've also just partnered with Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, which I'm sure you've heard of, to let businesses build custom AI agents inside the platform, rolling this out through the spring. This platform is being built out fast, worth knowing if you're deciding now versus waiting. So who is QuickBooks Intuit Enterprise Suite actually built for? They're built for multi-entity business, tired of stitching reports together in Excel. Service-based, project-based, and construction-based businesses outgrowing QuickBooks Online Advanced. Companies that are consolidating multiple software tools inside one platform. Also, as mentioned, IES is not built for product-based or inventory-heavy businesses, e-commerce businesses needing native payment or inventory sync. We're certified to implement, migrate, and train your team on this, and we'll tell you honestly if it's the right fit. Free consult in the link below. IES sits between QuickBooks Online Advanced and a full traditional ERP like NetSuite. It's built for mid-market businesses, generally $5 million to $250 million in revenue a year. They need multi-entity accounting, deeper reporting, and integrated payroll and HR without a 6-month ERP implementation. If you've watched this whole video and think Intuit Enterprise Suite could be a solution for you, book a free consult with our team today. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button for future Intuit Enterprise Suite videos and more solutions that we work with. Whatever the solutions, Certum can help. Book a free demo, consult, or learn more using the links below. Have a great day. Bye.